68. America the Beautiful. Is this ugly looking or what? Up at the top they talk about choral arrangements. It's a style where people are singing. Choral means singing. Choral music is vocal music. And the different parts they have, they list them. The sopranos is the top part, and then the altos, and then the tenors, and then the bass is at the bottom part. So when you have notes like this, and basically they're singing chords. Look at the very first, the pickup beat there. You got 4 notes, 2 in each hand. Well, the bass would do the E flat, and yes, see the key signature? There's 2 flats. We're in the key of B flat major. So E flats and B flats, you got to stick them in there. So you have the E flat, that's the bass. And the tenor would do the A. Then the alto would do the C. And the sopranos on top with the F. Sopranos usually get the melody, but real good choral music, the melody will be all over the place. It's really nice to listen to. I believe in this arrangement, the melody is going to be in the soprano, or the top note pretty much all the way through. And they're simply singing that chord. And all of these are chords. As you can tell by listening to it, that is not nice sounding piano music. This is not piano music. This is singing music. This is for people, if you got some people who can sing, come and have them sing while you're playing this. All you're doing is just kind of accompanying them. Because so for piano, this is not going to sound good at all. This is bleh. If I had a choral group that was going to sing this arrangement, these notes, I would be accompanying them. I would be playing other things. I could take the chords and play broken chords and various patterns of other things as long as I stay in the chord, and they can sing these notes and it'll come out fine. They give you the names of the notes, although we haven't had these chords yet, a lot of them. I mean, the F7 you've had before, the dominant 7 and an F is the dominant 7 of B flat major, and that's the key we're in. And then B flat is the root, or the 1 chord. And then you get the F diminished 7th. Well, we haven't had that yet. What's going on there? I don't want to give you a lesson in music theory. There's lots of videos on YouTube teach you all about music theory and chords, and just have a ball with them. That's wonderful. I'm going to go over this carefully, slowly. I don't know, because it's not piano music, just how important it is that you get it. If I had a piano student with me, we would not cover this. I would skip this piece because, as I said, this is not piano music, it's choral music. I'm not going to do a play with me session on this. I will just kind of play it so you can hear it. Now, if you want to play along, you're welcome to, but it's just not a good piano piece. So I'm just going to play it for you. And the fingering, you can follow their fingering. It's up to you. I'm not going to worry about it, because it's not piano music. So here, it sounds something like this.